Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and permissions. Inspect both devices. If the phone has USB-C and the laptop has USB-A, get a USB-C to USB-A data cable. If both are USB-C, use that cable instead. Once the cable is ready, plug the phone in while unlocked. Make sure you accept the prompt. Android will ask to allow file transfer. iPhone will prompt to trust this computer. This initial step prevents permission blocks and establishes the connection layer that everything else relies on. Once the device is recognized, you choose the correct transfer mode and tool. On Android, swipe down and pick File Transfer, MTP, or use USB tethering for internet sharing. On iPhone, open Finder on Mac OS or iTunes on Windows to browse photos and backups. Then use your laptop's file manager to drag and drop files or run a backup utility for large datasets. Make sure to verify transfer progress. Partial transfers happen when cables are wobbly or storage is nearly full, so monitor completion. You finalize by confirming integrity and properly disconnecting. After transfers finish, use the OS eject/unmount action for the phone. This prevents file corruption. Open a few transferred files to confirm sizes and readability and check free space adjustments. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Swap to a known good data cable and a different USB port. Many failures are cable or port faults. If issues persist, reboot both devices and repeat the steps, because soft errors often clear on restart.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.